I'm stuck in the pavilion's bathroom. I'm so scared. There's a clown. Day one. Oh my god. 2. Still in the pavilion, waiting for the clown to leave. I don't think he's gonna leave. I think I'm around 4 today. Here we go. Shit. 5. I just not want to get it out. Oh. Get out. Oh my god. Oh. What's doing? He throws his poop like a monkey. Let's get a closer look. Oh my god.
Arvin never made day 6. Do you know why? I'll tell you why. It's because he's been killed, raped, and murdered. Grabbed him from the ass and raped him. You want to see something crazy? Watch this. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna